So, hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your one-stop destination for latest job updates, career guidance, and everything data and tech. So, today we have got some exciting news straight from the Google. Yes, the Google is hiring freshers for one of their most exciting role, which is technical solution consultant for the university graduate 2025. So, if you are a student graduating in 2025 and have experience with SQL, Python, and data visualization tools like Tableau or Looker, Power BI, you don't want to miss this opportunity. Stick around till the end because I will also walk you through the steps on how you can stand out for this role and get noticed by Google recruiters. And of course, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for the notes for daily job updates, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out any golden opportunity from our end. So now let's dive into the job details. So as you can see, the job title is of a technical solution consultant of university graduate 2025 students, and location is all three locations, that is Hyderabad, Gurgaon, and Bengaluru. So the company is Google, as I already told, and eligibility criteria they have mentioned is a bachelor or equivalent degree, university graduate 2025 pass outs. Minimum qualification required for this role is going to be a bachelor degree or equivalent with knowledge in SQL, technical design, troubleshooting, stakeholder management, data analytics, Python, data visualizations, etc. They have also mentioned some of the preferred qualification, as you can see over here. So yeah, as you can see over here, they have mentioned experience working with the data visualization tools like Tableau, Looker, Studio, Power BI, etc. Plus exposure to client-facing roles and ability to present data backed narrative to stakeholders, and also experience in SQL workflow management and database systems with knowledge of JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and TypeScript is going to be an added advantage and a big plus. And yeah, proficiency in automation, object oriented programming, especially in Python, is preferred for this particular role. So now let's understand a little bit about the role. So you'll be joining the GTech ads team at Google, or the driving force behind the media support, technical services for all ad products. This role sits within the GTech scale technical solution team, which focuses on developing automated platform and tools, creating solutions that impact thousands of customers, partnering with sales, product, and engineering teams, along with delivering insightful data-driven database business solutions for advertisers. So this role is not just coding; it's about solving real business problems using the data analytics skill, collaborating with cross-functional teams, and working on global impactful projects. So now let's discuss the key responsibilities that you will be performing once you join Google as technical solution consultant. So it will be something like, collaborating with internal teams to develop data infrastructure and automated business insights, analyzing large and complex data set to help drive customer decisions, building automated reports and measurement tools, use your analytical thinking to simplify complex data sets for easy understanding, and presenting the insights to executives and help influence decision making using data storytelling. So these all are going to be your kind of roles and responsibilities once you join Google Office for this ad team. So why one should join Google? So basically, working at Google means a global exposure or cutting edge technology, solving real problems, great culture, learning from the best mind in the world, having access to unlimited growth opportunity, and of course, so many other kind of that facilities that you will go get inside the office. Of course, everyone knows that it's one of the top in the world in the industry. So this was all about the reason why one should try to join Google. So yeah, that was all about that. And also they provide one more thing, which is diversity and inclusion. So you Google is basically an equal opportunity employer, so they believe in building a workforce that reflects the users they serve, regardless of their gender, race, religion, or background. You are welcome here. Everyone is welcome here. They don't differentiate on the basis of anything, either race, religion, color, or anything. So this was all about that and how you can apply. So just check for the link in description. We have mentioned a direct link to apply. So go check it out and apply as soon as possible, because the sooner the better, as I tell always. So tips to stand out, I want to give something like you can just brush up on your SQL query skills, including join, window functions, and aggregation functions and all that. Plus, you can also get on hands on Python for data analytics libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and other skill sets like Looker, Power BI, Tableau, and somewhat other technical skills related to basic machine learning and all that. So it will be a added advantage for you if you do all sorts such sort of things. Also build a mini project or dashboard that shows you can convert data into actionable insights, so that you can just tell the story in front of your stakeholders. So you can just showcase your skills so that it will be easy for you to get shortlisted for this particular role. So yeah, that was all about this very good one, wonderful opportunity at Google. uh, One of the best, it is one of the best freshers role in the world. So if you are serious about launching your career in data analytics or tech consulting, then this is your moment to shine. Apply now, start preparing, and remember, the future belongs to those who take action. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, comment below if you are applying or have any questions related to the applications, and subscribe to our channel for the not for daily job updates and in-depth career advice as well. Also, we are bringing in-depth data analytics series on our other channel, which is Force Tech. So subscribe to that channel also if you have not subscribed yet. And yeah, that's it for this particular video. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.